Hi everyone, I'm very pleased to have you all today as panelists for a discussion about work from home culture. We will discuss the pros and cons about this evolving trend during the course of this debate today. As all of us know that this looks like that the trend is going to be staying with us and it will settle indefinitely and be part of our culture and system. And since all of you are working in established companies or corporate and currently you all of you happen to work from home during this time of pandemic, so we would like you to give us insight and share your experience on the same, whether you call this an advantage or disadvantage, or whether this trend according to you is enhancing your productivity and whetting your skills further, or it's doing otherwise. Let's get your introductions first, starting with you, Anshika, then Saurabh and Harshit.
Sure.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. So, I'm from Uttar Pradesh and currently I'm residing in Uttarakhand. From here only, I'm going on with work from home culture. And I have done my schooling from Uttarakhand itself. And I have completed my graduation from Tirthankar Mahavir University, Muradabad. I have done in the domain of computer science and engineering. And currently, I'm placed with Orange Business Services and I'm working over there.
How's your, could you tell me something about Earth also, and how Mr. Vimal Daga has actually helped you in your training and during the course of your placement or education?
Yeah. So actually, it was the time of March 2020, when everything was just locked down, and we just came to the home from our hostels and everywhere. Everywhere is just like we are getting silently, and we are sitting idly, and we don't have anything with respect to our college work and just the normal stuff. So
Mm,
at that point in time, we came to know about Vimal sir from our friends and from the network that we have in our college.
mm,
So from the network, we just sir, and we just I was just enrolled in DevOps. So
mm,
it was my first program with Vimal sir. Later on, there were multiple programs with multiple technologies. We just came to know about different technologies, and एक कह सकते हैं ना, एक वो समंदर है नॉलेज का,
mm,
बिल्कुल एकदम उसमें चले गए हम लोग और नई नई टेक्नोलॉजीज को एक्सप्लोर करना जब शुरू किया। फिर
mm,
उसके बाद लॉकडाउन पीरियड का मतलब कुछ लोगों का ये कहना था कि हमारा घर में टाइम नहीं निकल रहा है, और कुछ लोगों का ये मानना था कि हमारे पास कुछ करने के लिए नहीं है, हम बहुत ज़्यादा बोर हो गए हैं।
mm,
वहीं पर लोगों जैसे जैसे मेरी सिचुएशन है, मेरे फ्रेंड्स की सिचुएशन थी, जो भी लोग अर्थ में थे, तो हम लोगों का ये मानना था कि हमारे पास टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है, हमको 24 घंटे पूरे हम लोग ना ऑब्जर्व कर ले रहे हैं, हम लोग उसमें कुछ सीख रहे हैं, कुछ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कर रहे हैं, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ क्रिएटिव होता था हम लोगों के पास करने के लिए।
mm,
तो
mm.
वो जर्नी चलती रही, वो 10 मंथ्स की जर्नी, मतलब इट वॉज अ ब्लेसिंग फॉर अस।
Sure. So, hello everyone. I'm Saurabh. I have recently completed my BE in computer science, and yes, I am also part of Earth with Anshika. Starting from like in college days, I was already involved in technologies and all stuff from my childhood. Like already just play around games and stuff and all that cool stuff according to our teenagers. So the thing which probably changed in lockdown, if I would say, is the same classes which mentioned by Anshika. Like as soon as the lockdown was started and all, if I still remember, before lockdown, I was already in my final years and I have applied for few interviews too, and I got rejected. Yes, we say like rejection is a part of process and all, but still, it was like. There was no hope and anything. Like I was totally like, अब बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी यार, अब मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है क्या होगा क्या नहीं कैसा. Like even while creating my resume, I was like ये तो शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया and something. But thanks to God, like I got to know Vimal sir and all. And soon the graph, like the speed of graph, if I would say, it increased so rapidly that अब ऐसी सिचुएशन आ चुकी है कि मैं नहीं जा रहा हूँ कंपनी के साथ, कंपनीज मेरे पास आ रही है. ऐसा हुआ है लाइक हम वो टीवी में देखते हैं ना, चिंटू वाली ऐड आती है, वैसा सिचुएशन हो गया. लाइक I've already worked 6 months with first startup, and now I'm working with some other startup. There are only 12 to 15 people, but still there's no hierarchy or something. Like so senior persons are like talking with me, getting advices and all because of Vimal sir, I would say. Nextly, अगर और टेक्निकल अगर मैं कहूँ, so even I got to know much of technologies. Like पहले ऐसा था कि I am just sitting into a dark room. अब ऐसा हो चुका है कि मैंने एक एक छोटे छोटे विंडोज ओपन कर दिए और अब डार्कनेस बची नहीं है, सारी सारी लाइट आ चुकी है एंड एवरीथिंग. लाइक आई नो हाउ इट वर्क्स एंड ऑल सम, लाइक कंपनीज को कैसे बिल्ड किया जाए. लाइक वो प्रोबेबली लाइक एवरी लाइक टीनेजर्स में ऐसा एक ट्रेंड आ चुका है, लाइक वर्किंग फॉर फेसबुक, अमेजोन, गूगल. वो वाला माइंडसेट ही नहीं रहा है वैसे. लाइक जितना स्टार्टअप्स में घुस सकते हैं घुस जाओ, जितने कंपनीज खुद की बिल्ड करने ऐसा लाइक कोर जो टेक्निकल लव बोलेंगे हम, वैसा कुछ जनरेट हो चुका है. सो इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में, so
अब
that
आप
kind
लोगों
of
की
thing has
बातें
happened.
आप आई एम सॉरी टू इंटरजेक्ट, आप लोगों की बातें सुन के तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुझे दोबारा से स्टूडेंट लाइफ में जाकर विमल डागा सर की क्लास में जाकर जरूर बैठना चाहिए. हर्षित, इफ यू कुड इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ नाउ.
Yeah. So, welcome everybody. I am Harshit Dawar and I am a resident of Subhash Nagar, New Delhi. But I have done my college life from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Now I decided to go into the college that is UPES, and it is situated in Dehradun. The very first reason was that it is really exciting to go there to see the nature there and how the companies are approaching to that college, because it offers specialization that at that time none of the other colleges are offering, right? For example, there were specializations like big data, DevOps. So by seeing this, I feel that yes, it would be a great advantage for my career. That's why I decided to join that college. And as my other fellow mates said that they are a part of Earth, and similarly for me also, I am also a Earth part. And I will speak very honestly that my journey began at the starting of the last year. That is, it was around, I believe, March, where the IISc RISE initiative has been started. And at that initiative, Mr. Vimal Daga sir has said that he will be taking a RHCSA level of training, that is an entry level training of the Red Hat certification. And believe me, it is a core training, and everyone out there is willing to do this. Right. So from there, the journey has begun. But yes, unfortunately, I missed two of the programs from Mr. Vimal Daga, that is MLOps and DevOps. So I started with the hybrid multi-cloud. And yes, then I saw myself that yes, once I have enrolled in those programs, I got to know, I will say specifically, or I will insist on one technology very much as compared to others, that is the DevOps. Because to be honest, I will say that since the first day of my college, I was a very keen student to learn about data science. So from there, my journey has just taken a fly. I started learning data science. Then as soon as these initiatives from Earth or from Vimal Daga sir has come up to me, I get to know about him. Then I definitely enrolled in that. And I must say, I got a great chance to learn DevOps, and that I'm also incorporating in my daily life as well. That is in my trainings and the other stuff that I do in the company. That is to tell you about my company in which I am placed. And the company name is Zibia. And my profile there is a technical trainer. And I have till now, I have trained more than 500 plus professors as well as students. So yeah, it has been a great journey till now.
Work from home module was sounding very interesting for some in the beginning. Although for IT sector, as all of us know, this was not a new idea. But now many companies, be it Indian companies or global international corporate or multinationals, they have all extended the pattern. And what's your opinion? And do you think that it's actually going to help us?
Yeah, so who should begin?
You only begin.
Am I allowed?
Yes,
Yeah, okay.
absolutely.
Yeah. Yeah, so I was saying that as far as this work from home culture is concerned, so honestly, I have both viewpoints. That is, one is supporting this and the another one is against this. So basically, what are the viewpoints is, first I will start with by supporting the work from home culture. So my very first one is that you got an ample of free time, right? If I consider myself, then as I'm a resident of New Delhi, Subhash Nagar, so if I have to go to Gurgaon office, then in only one day, I will give my 4 hours. That is purely wastage. That goes into the traveling part, right? So if I'm working from home, that definitely helps me a lot, as I can do my other stuff like grooming myself or if I want to do workout or any other stuff, I am very much happy to do so, and I get time also for that, right? But in the opposite case, where you are going on to the on site, you will not get that time. So this is the one reason. Another maybe that working from home, let's say, gives you ample of advantage on various use cases. Let's say you can sit in whatever clothing you want, but yes, in office that is not a compulsion. There you will have to sit in the formal clothes only, so will not feel free, a lot free, right? So these are some things that help you if you are working from home. And moreover, your family members also like that. Yes, hey, this is my kid and he is working from home only, so we really appreciate that. And on the other hand, the on-site advantages are that you will be able to build a great network, right? You will be able to do a face-to-face chat. It will create a great impact on the other person who is debating with you or who is doing anything with you, right? So that is a great advantage if you are able to create a network, because everybody knows that in this today's world, if you do not have a network, then somehow you will lag, right? So it is very important to create good contacts. They will anyhow will benefit you in future. And the second point would also be that on-site working will refrain you from getting into bloopers. Okay, let's say if you are doing a video chat that multiple people are there, it could be a client or it could be your formal associates. Then let's say some of your relative come at your home. Now they must have small kids also, so they might interrupt you, right? So that kind of bloopers will not happen if you are doing an on-site job. So these are some of the viewpoints, although there can be more also, but yes, these are the major things that help you on both of the points.
So you enjoy
Yeah.
all these diversions and all these interruptions, or you think that you should have a dedicated office at home only, a dedicated space where nobody can actually disturb you, or maybe your company can only set up a camera at your office, at your office at home, and then keep a tab on you to see how much Harshit is actually working or not working, and how much time actually he's spending in interacting with friends, and how much on his desk. Yeah,
Yeah,
Harshit.
I would really say that I like that if I have a private office in my home as well. But yes, no one would be happy if someone is putting a camera in your room. Then it would be a really a privacy breach. So no one would allow that, right? But yes, I am very much happy if I get a chance to operate with a complete new office that is present at my home only. But yes, even though I would say that I would like a combination of this, let's say 2 days at on-site and 3 days at home. If this is a 5 week culture, although Japan has started to impose a 4 week weekdays,
Hmm.
4 work days that are present in 1 week. So I really like that culture also, because it would promote the economy flow also, as well as it will provide a great rest to the
Hmm.
workers.
Hmm. Hmm. So, Saurabh, would you like to counter Harshit on this, or would you like to agree on whatever, on all these points he just now expressed?
Well, few of the points, like Harshit mentioned both the sides, first of all.
Hmm.
Like he
Hmm.
mentioned all the trade-offs we have on
Hmm.
this work from home kind of trend.
Hmm.
First thing is like everyone has their own opinion, so there's no something like right or wrong or we could judge anyone. So it's like because the people who are already were working from like before COVID, who are already into the industry and all, so they got a habitual of going to the office, enjoying on the weekends and getting some. So for them, like human mind is not ready to accept something new immediately,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So for them it's kind of a like how would they manage now create all that office culture into the one room of their home, and even if the home is small and everyone has their own problem. But if according to me, if you ask me, like for me it's kind of a start for my career. So and in the start only I'm getting the same work from home culture, and that too like I'm a fully like a time conscious person, you can say. Like I want to always control my time, and work from home gave me that like as a best opportunity. I can each and every second I can just measure like how should I spend this and how should I not spend this.
Hmm.
And plus point is if I'm working with startup, then time is like something whenever we can I have a doubt or there's no 9 to 5 culture or something.
Hmm.
I can
Hmm.
just there's a flexible timing and all. So for me work from home is like totally the best option. although like the points mentioned by Harshit, like we have face-to-face interaction in the real world and going to the office and having some fun. Yeah, like कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खो भी सकते हैं, but still more on the favor, I would prefer like work from home ही better है instead of going to the office and taking all the expenses. क्योंकि ऐसा है like आई एम लिविंग ऑन द फुलेस्ट, मेरी प्रोडक्टिविटी कहो या जो भी कहो वो मैं पूरी तरह से मैं बाहर ला पा रहा हूँ। नहीं तो मुझे if I'm going to the office then I have to, according to that I have to manage everything and make, अगर कभी मुझे कुछ हो रहा है like mood नहीं हो रहा है काम करने का, but still I'm in the office so I have to work on that whether or not the boss is looking on there। हाँ, उस टाइम पे कैमरा ऑटोमेटिकली लग जाएगा कि हाँ मेरा बॉस पीछे से देख रहा है।
ना आप काम नहीं करके दोगे तो फिर उनको लगाना ही पड़ेगा, उनके पास कोई चॉइस नहीं होगी।
हाँ, like the opinion कि कुछ दिन ऑफिस जाना है कुछ दिन नहीं, that is also better, but 2-3 दिन नहीं, एक दिन को भी बहुत हो गया।
Of course, I understand. You also talked about that you are very good at managing your time, and you slot things and schedule things perfectly. So, give your people of your age, young people, some tips about time management. Like now, since you're working from home, so how do you
Yes.
make sure that you strike that perfect balance so that your
Yeah.
office work also does not suffer, and you do rest of the things also, that do everything in time? So give us some tips on that.
Well, first of all, make sure what is the highest top priority for you. Like, have a priority list. Like, health is first, or my money is first. Like most of people, money is everything. So make sure you have that priorities, and according to that, just schedule your time. Like for me, my health and my technical, like technology stuff, these are on the topmost priority. So I make sure like even if I'm like my schedule is kind of different from everyone, like I sleep at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. and wake up at 9 and 10 a.m. But still, from before 12 p.m. I would say I just don't open any kind of my technical stuff. I just like my mobile phone is also onto the side, and I just work on myself, whether it's like morning routine or just going for a running and everything. And once I have done that, then I stick to my laptop. And most of the things like IT industry, there's a pro tip from my side. If you're opening your laptop, just make sure why are you opening it, because just to I have to work, just don't do that. Have some task on the behind of your mind, like yes मुझे इतना task करना है इसलिए मैं ये laptop open कर रहा हूँ, and once you have done that, just shut it down, otherwise you are just wasting your time on that. So that's a pro tip from my side. And nextly, if you love the work, then time management is not a thing. You just get involved and involved and involved as more you love your work. So that's something I could share with all the students. And if you're starting your new journey with companies and all, it's overwhelming for you. Like everyone is senior and they are already like their mindset and your mindset is totally different. They are already यार कितना काम दे रहे हैं, and you're like मुझे तो जितना देके चलेगा. So just try to have that relation, get more. Just think about like मुझे इससे क्या सीखने को मिल रहा है, बस और कुछ नहीं, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं देखना है.
Okay.
So that
I
you can
would
say.
say I just want to say something.
Yeah, please.
The hunger of doing something or the hunger of learning something is just the thing that can make you work 24 hours as well. Your hunger something can make you everything, I would say, to everyone.
You don't actually feel tired doing it. You want to do more and more of it, and the things also, you are able to complete the things also in jiffy. So Anshika,
Yes.
what's your take on working from home culture? You would prefer to go to your office or stick at home and then working from home only?
Actually, I have both the perspectives with the different reasons. First of all, work from home is best actually, because for this pandemic situation, as we can't go out and there is complete lockdown and everything, so we don't have any option for like going to the office or something. So it's a very bad idea to just work and just rest at home. So it's a better option that work from home is best thing that you can engage with the work. Secondly, for future as well, because earlier there might be a situation when we engage with the clients, so there might be a situation we are not habitual of this laptops and meetings and everything, kind of remote communication, we are not habitual of everything. But from the from home culture, we get to know about everything. Like we work on different softwares and we are connecting remotely. So this is a great experience of knowing people like this. Second opinion is the thing is like I'm a kind of person who wants to explore new things. new places, and new kind of environment. So for me, office going is also a great idea. So I'm waiting that once the lockdown is over, I'll go out and visit to my office and explore everything.
Mm.
So this
Yeah,
kind of mentality.
true, absolutely. Because there are many benefits about working from home. It saves a lot of your time also, and the same time you can actually devote for your office work. But in the end of the day, we have to know that human being is a social animal, and
Yes.
in work area or outside the work area, he can learn so many things while he's at office, when he's interacting with his co-workers, with his colleagues, with his seniors, so which is not possible by sitting at home. And yeah, so many things look and sound so positive about working from home culture. But don't you think that the loner atmosphere which you have at home is also affecting mental health? And coping with this issue is a big challenge. People get into the mode of depression when they are not mingling with their team, with their colleagues, or not going out on regular basis or quite frequently. So don't you think that it's going to be a big challenge, and what is your opinion about it, Saurabh?
Yeah, one thing we could say, if the person is not introvert, kind of some, we could say he would face such kind of loneliness which you
Mm,
mentioned. So for that, yes, it is necessary to go out and meet some people, because it's not possible like just opening a Zoom meeting and having fun. There's no fun in that.
mm,
We know very well. We have tried everything like on Fridays and all, but still it's a different vibe if it is it's in physical way.
mm,
So that is countable, but still, if you would ask me, there are multiple things, not only just having fun with colleagues or anything. There are multiple things from which you can have the physical fun, like going out or having a workout, or just locality friends, or just spend your time with your family, like if you have like love to do.
mm.
So there are like alternative ways to in order to make that loneliness, keep that loneliness aside from your affecting your mind and your whole mood and everything.
Mm.
So that could be one way.
So
That's pretty much it.
all
Like,
of you are working from home only. And Anshika, I would like to know from you, have you ever felt that it's also affecting your productivity, or the need for vetting your skills further and learning the things further, which is uh, possible at your office premises only, rather than just being told about a few things online on phone?
Actually, I would say it's not affecting the skills, because for an
Mm,
IT guy, it's all the same.
mm,
When we are working laptop within office or from home, it's like
mm,
same.
mm,
But from the perspective of personality development, we
mm,
can say this, because
mm,
that is very important when you are growing up, when you are coming with new challenges.
mm.
So this thing is lagging with the work from home, because
Mm,
our personality develop when we meet people personally and face one-to-one interaction, and we look for their body language and we learn from them. So
mm,
this is missing. Although what just Saurabh said, that we can do something for our entertainment, I would like to
mm,
as well. Many people are doing this thing right now. There are some situation when some places are not locked down, so
mm.
going out and they are booking a resort and they are residing there. From there, they are doing work from home. So
Yeah,
this kind of trend they are using right now.
yeah. They are making the atmosphere only very,
Atmosphere
very
only.
pleasant and very soothing, which can actually accelerate their spirit to do better work and be more productive and enjoy the
Yeah.
ambience also. So, Harshit, I mean, are you sitting in your office right
Yeah,
now, or you are just using the virtual background?
yeah, I'm using the virtual background. I am at home only.
Background of office you are using while you are working from home.
so he's
Yeah, yeah,
mentioning
yeah.
both the balance. Like, yes, I am working home, but still
Yes,
I'm in office.
yeah,
Creating a
it's
perfect
correct. And
balance,
I,
actually.
yeah,
Good.
yeah, I would also like to
Smart.
say one more point here. Yeah, so I will say that the thing you said about the loneliness and the
Yeah.
personality development also. So there is a great example. Let's say if you are at an office, then you will get a chance to present yourself, right? Let's say in the conference room. that thing you cannot simulate at home. Although you can apply these virtual backgrounds and it's look like that you are presenting, but it's not the same thing, because there your dressing style, your speaking style, your body language, everything matters, and it will develop
That
one by
all
one.
takes a
Okay, na?
backseat actually. All
Yeah,
takes
yeah,
a
yeah. So if
backseat.
you are, या तो अगर हम ऑफिस में होंगे तो एक एक सीढ़ी करके बंदा ऊपर चढ़ेगा ना, तो
हाँ.
घर पे तो हम सीख नहीं सकते ये सब. So
Hmm.
that complete your technical skills as well as interpersonal skills play a great role in your overall development. And if you are working on site, it will boost it a lot. That cannot be done if you are staying at home. Even though I would say that it cannot be done at the same pace, although you will be able to reach at that level, but it will take exponentially larger time.
Hmm.
So that's my viewpoint on that.
Sorry,
So yeah, Barkha,
Yeah, yeah,
I
Harshit.
would like to, yeah, I would like to mention one more point that I
Yeah.
skipped while I was telling that what are the benefits of working from home. Yes, so the very major important point, and yes, it will also depend on the perceptions also of the people, but I would rather say that yes, if you are working from home, then you get a chance to eat a great meal, right? No one can compare any food to your house meal that you get from your cooked by your mother's hands, right? So that is the best food that you can get in this world. So I will really love this fact that yes, I am getting a great food and I am fortunate enough to get that thing.
But in office also you carry your dabba na, you carry your food and the food which is made by, which is cooked by your mother, isn't it? So why
पर वो
at
ठंडा हो
home?
जाता है ना.
क्या ठंडा हो
ठंडा
जाता
हो
है?
जाता है ना.
अच्छा, तो अब आपको
हाँ.
गरम गरम खाना काम करते हुए घर पे चाहिए. गुड. So that
हाँ.
is the reason.
So that's a great thing. एंड फ्रेश की बात ही अलग है. अब आप पूछ सकते हो कि ठंडा हो जाता है तो ऑफिस में गर्म करने के लिए कुछ तो होगा, ovens or any other thing. But yes, if you are getting a fresh, then there is no comparison for that.
True, true. Are you a foodie?
50-50. I will not say that. I am like a foodie, but yes, I really like if the food is fresh.
Hmm. What about you, Anshika? What do you miss about not going to
Ma'am.
office? Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, like just Harshit said, that we got fresh food. I'm a foodie. I'm actually a foodie. So I'm happy. I'm very much happy that I'm getting home food. But there is a disadvantage of this. As I'm a foodie, I need to have something, something, something while I'm working. So I'm not that much good at proper workout and something. But when we go to the office, some of our workout is already when just we go to the office, follow the complete schedule, timely breakfast, timely lunch, timely dinner, and everything is in its schedule. But for now, when we are working from home, we don't know about like eating stuff and everything.
Hmm.
So ये बहुत मुश्किल है कंट्रोल करना. आई एम अ फूडी, तो
Hmm.
मेरा तो पूरे दिन चलता रहता है ऐसे.
Hmm. 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 And how much do you miss to get decked up and wear all the best clothes and do the nice makeup and then going out? At home, so one gets lethargic also, and one tends to compromise on the look, on the style, on the outfit. So, do you miss that part as well, Anshika?
We just came to the comfort zone,
Hmm.
and after some time we are just ready to be as it is. Like
Hmm.
बाल ऐसे बिखरे हुए हैं तो ऐसे ही ठीक है. अभी
Hmm.
अपन को ज्यादा तैयार भी नहीं होना है करके. तो ये
Hmm.
वाला ना आ गई
Yeah.
अभी वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम करते हुए
Hmm.
काफी टाइम से. तो जब ऑफिस वगैरह जाते हैं तो खुद को मेंटेन रखने का ना एक प्रॉपर वो रहता है कि हाँ खुद से मेंटेन होके जाना है, बाल ठीक करने हैं, खुद का हुलिया थोड़ा ठीक करके तब जाना है हमको. बट अभी कुछ ऐसा नहीं है. अभी जस्ट ऊपर से अगर कोई मीटिंग भी है या फिर कुछ है तो जस्ट ड्रेस्ड अप हुए थोड़ा बहुत और हो
Hmm.
गया. वो चीजें कहीं ना कहीं हमारी पर्सनालिटी को इफेक्ट कर रही है.
कर रही हैं
ये
एग्जैक्टली. एंड व्हाट अबाउट यू सौरभ, आप ऐसी कौन सी छोटी छोटी खुशियां हैं जो आप मिस करते हैं, जो आपको घर पे मिलती हैं या ऑफिस में मिलती हैं?
सबसे पहले तो मैं कहूँगा कि पेरेंट्स के साथ है इसलिए तो वो सबसे मेजर है. लाइक अगर कहीं ऑफिस में काम करने जाना है सो प्रोबेबली मुझे आउट ऑफ टाउन जाना पड़ेगा. लाइक आई नो टाउन में है नहीं, सो वो एक जो मेजर डिस्टेंस जो हो जाता है, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप, तो वो मुझे काफी मेजर पॉइंट है कि मैं घर पे रह रहा हूँ मम्मी के साथ, पापा के साथ, सबके साथ. सो वो प्लस पॉइंट है. हाँ, मिस अगर किया जाए तो एक फन पार्ट होता है, लाइक जैसे कॉलेज डेज में हॉस्टल में रह के दोस्तों के साथ जो चिल किया था, मस्त किया था, वो सब नहीं हो रहा है अभी. अब घर पे थोड़े संस्कारी बन के बैठे हैं तो वो एक है, बट स्टिल मोर प्रेफरेंस लाइक मम्मी खुश है, पापा खुश है, और क्या चाहिए।
और क्या चाहिए लाइफ में, बहुत अच्छी
हाँ।
बात। हर्षित, कुछ सीखो आप सौरभ से।
नहीं नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल सीखा हुआ है। मैं तो खुद चाहता हूँ कि मैं फैमिली के साथ रहूँ। आपको इसका मैं किस्सा बताऊं तो मुझसे ज्यादा होमसिक कोई नहीं है। मैं
जी।
अपने कॉलेज में था ना, तो एक महीने में कम से कम 2 बार तो मैं घर आता ही था। और जब
ओके।
घर आता था तो एक हफ्ते का वीकेंड लेता था, पूरी छुट्टी कॉलेज की। तो मैं ऐसा हूँ, या मैं घर का हूँ या मैं वहां का हूँ। अगर मैं वहां गया हूँ तो आज तक एक भी क्लास बंक नहीं मारी है कॉलेज की। सो इट्स लाइक full commitment, and I really love my parents a lot, and that's why I came at home almost every 2 weeks, right? And I live here at minimum 4 to 5 days. So then it doesn't matter to me that my attendance is not up to the mark, but anyhow I keep that attendance up to 75% by any trick or anything I can do. But yes, it is obviously
proxy.
no. It's not proxy, because I have a great relationship with my teacher. So if I'm not in the class, now they will very easily identify that yes, Harshit Dawar is missing. So I am not able to even apply proxy. Even my friend says that कि यार देख, हमारी लग जाती है, तेरी प्रॉक्सी नहीं लग सकती। अगर मैं चाहूं भी तो नहीं लगवा सकता। वो बोलेंगे टीचर तुम्हें पहले ही पहचानता है, तो कैसे लगवाओगे? So that's the great disadvantage to me, to have a great relationship with my teachers. That I would rather say.
Good. So now, as all of you can see that because of the pandemic situation, the scenario of employment is very gloomy, looks very gloomy. For you, people are lucky ones to get the job, and that too, working from home pattern you are following. So what kind of challenges did you actually face while you were searching for job? Yeah, Saurabh.
uh, like challenges, as I mentioned in the first, like in the introduction part only, like lockdown के पहले जो था, like lockdown start हुआ था, like we were reading all news के कंपनीज ने 300 to 400 एम्प्लॉयज को सीधा निकाल दिया है, सीधा घर पर आ चुकी है सैलरी एंड ऑल. सो दैट वाज अ काइंड ऑफ टेंस सिचुएशन फॉर एवरीवन, नॉट ओनली जस्ट आईटी और लाइक एवरीवन. सबके लिए, सब हर इंडस्ट्री में यही हो रहा था. बट जैसे थोड़ा बहुत सिचुएशन लाइक नॉर्मलाइज होने लगा, आईटी इंडस्ट्री ने दोबारा बूम पकड़ लिया था. लाइक फिर से एम्प्लॉयमेंट उतनी तेजी से हायर, इवन इवन अभी भी अगर देखा जाए, लाइक जो मास रिक्रूटर्स वाले कंपनीज है, वेदर इट्स टीसीएस और विप्रो, ये लोग काफी बल्क में हायर करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को. तो इनकी हायरिंग इतनी बढ़ चुकी है, लाइक दे व्हाट दे वांट इज, अब जितने जो सीनियर्स निकाले हैं उतने फ्रेशर्स माइंड्स वो और इतना हायर कर रहे हैं. स्टिल अगर चैलेंजेस कर देखा जाए, कॉम्पिटिशन डबल हो चुका है. लाइक पहले ऐसा था कि जॉब्स है सब है, अब ऐसा प्री पैंडेमिक एंड पोस्ट पैंडेमिक में ऐसा एक दो अलग अलग सिनारियोस क्रिएट हो चुके हैं कि प्री पैंडेमिक ऐसा ऐसा होता था, अब पोस्ट पैंडेमिक में तुमको ज्यादा लाइक अब ऑलरेडी सब कुछ वर्चुअली हो रहा है, सो यू नीड मोर एंड मोर स्किल्स एंड मोर लाइक जितना हो सके डेकोरेट करो अपने रिज्यूम्स को. जस्ट कंपटीशन लाइक इनटू 4 हो चुका है, लाइक 4
Now
टाइम्स
the
बढ़
demand
चुका है
more.
कंपटीशन. हाँ, और
And you
प्लस
need
जो
to
नए नए
prove
लाइक
also. You
5G.
need to prove more,
या
about
एग्जैक्टली.
your work skills, productivity.
या लाइक घर पर बैठ के क्या सीखा है क्या नहीं सीखा है, कि अगर ऐसे कॉलेज चल रहा है तो ठीक है भाई, डिग्री तो सबके पास है, बट मोर एक्स्ट्रा डू यू हैव इन योरसेल्फ और समथिंग. सो वो काइंड ऑफ चैलेंजिंग था. सो उस पीरियड में ऐसा था, लाइक जो रिजेक्शंस वगैरह जो जो हुए, काफी डिप्रेशन थे. और प्लस उसमें सेकंड पॉइंट ये था, लाइक आप हम सभी घर पर बैठे हैं, सो the only thing we all do when we are alone is just go through the social media, like Instagram scroll चलते रहेगा. और फिर वहीं LinkedIn पर कहीं दिख जा रहा है कि यार some XYZ student got 40 crores job from Microsoft, पैकेज है पैकेज. तो वो इतना डिप्रेशन में चल जाता है स्टूडेंट कि लाइक यार अब तो मतलब मैं लाइक कोई बता दे कि क्या करना है, मैं करने के लिए रेडी हूँ. हाँ, लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन हैपेंस. सो इतना सब कुछ टेंस हो चुका था, स्टिल एक रे ऑफ होप आ गई थी तभी उसी टाइम पर. मोर टेक्निकल स्किल्स लर्न कर लिए, मोर बहुत सीख लिया. लाइक अगर मैं मेरी बात करूँ, लाइक इफ यू नो देयर इज अ क्राइटेरिया फॉर लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज की एटलीस्ट यू शुड हैव 60% और 6 CGPA, एंड आई वाज नॉट इनटू दैट क्राइटेरिया. लाइक आई विल बी रियली ऑनेस्ट, मेरे उतने परसेंटेज ही नहीं थे. लाइक कॉलेज के स्कोर वगैरह, हर्षित तो भी कहा कि टीचर के साथ प्रॉक्सी वगैरह या सब जो मेरा वो भी सीन नहीं था. लाइक आई वाज टोटली लाइक वो होते ना बैक बेंचेस काइंड ऑफ स्टूडेंट, लाइक उस हिसाब से. हाँ,
वो टिप्स तो आप हर्षित से कभी भी ले सकते हो इस
हाँ वही.
इंटरेक्शन के बाद. हर्षित वुड बी गेम फॉर दिस.
हाँ लाइक कैसे कर लेता था इतना,
sure.
टीचर्स के साथ तो हमेशा मेरा अपोजिट रहता था, लाइक नो वन वुड लाइक हेल्प मी इन दैट एंड समथिंग, सो दैट वाज काइंड ऑफ वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी, लाइक जब एटलीस्ट मुझे इंटरव्यू तक तो पहुंचने दो, वही नहीं हो पाता था लाइक इतना, और प्लस फिर पैनिक में आ गया तो कंपटीशन तो तूफान हो चुका था, सो इन दैट वे कुछ हो नहीं रहा था, कुछ होप नहीं थे, बहुत चैलेंजेस आए लाइक आई वुड से, क्योंकि रेफरेंस वाले भी जो हम लिखते लाइक एटलीस्ट कहीं से रेफरेंस मिल जाए वो भी नहीं मिल रहा था लिंक्डइन पर या फिर कहीं पर, सो बस करना क्या है, फिर घर पर बैठे हैं, स्किल सीख रहे, क्लासेस लगा लिए, शुरू कर दिया था, बट वो क्लासेस ने फिर ऐसा टर्न लिया लाइक नॉट ओनली टेक्निकल, लाइक नॉन टेक्निकल मैंने कहूँ लाइक कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग बोलो या फिर स्टेज फियर समथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, लाइक एवरीथिंग वाज जस्ट काइंड ऑफ वैनिश्ड, लाइक if you would compare Saurav of 2019 and compare Saurav of 2021, there's a like huge gap and huge difference, like इतना difference आज का reason is lockdown ने we all know like बहुत लोगों ने बहुत कुछ खोया है lockdown में, but still मेरे लिए lockdown was the best period of my life until now I could say, like lockdown मतलब हुआ, मतलब मेरे लिए हुआ ऐसा लगता है मुझे तो, like इतना best part हुआ।
ये तो बहुत इंस्पायरिंग वर्ड्स हैं सौरभ जो आप बता रहे हो, whatever you are saying I'm sure is very inspiring for many fellow students and many aspiring professionals like you, and just allow me, yeah, many aspiring professionals like you who are looking out for a job but they are not able to get employment for themselves, and then
like
they
thing is like
yeah,
like students ऐसा like everything is now instant, no like हम कुछ भी चाहे तो हमें सब instantly चाहिए, whether it's Zomato or Amazon something, so होता ही है कि मैं जॉब एटलीस्ट मैंने सिर्फ एक या दो इंटरव्यूज के लिए अप्लाई किया एंड मैं रिजेक्ट हो चुका हूँ, so that instant mindset जो है वो हमें तुरंत उस डिप्रेशन मोड में लेके चले जाता है, राइट, लाइक या अब नहीं होगा नहीं होगा।
लेकिन ये बहुत अच्छी बात रही आपके साथ, यू आर लाइक अ अचीवर, कि आप उस डिप्रेशन के मोड में नहीं गए, वो भी इतने डिप्रेसिंग फेज में, एंड रादर यू इन्वेस्टेड योर एनर्जी, you channelize your energies actually towards learning, towards whetting your skills, and make a best and a better version of yourself. So that's very inspiring. I would want that many to get follow suit and inspired by the way you progressed in your career, and you were able to get through the job that you are at right now. And how Mr. Vimal Daga and the Earth and Linux word were helpful to you during this course of this period?
Like there is something like we have global certifications, like in IT industry, if you have some global certification, that is a cherry on the cake, we could say. So I was not having the cake also. So first, like as soon as I started training under Vimal sir, first of all the technologies, all the like the bluff technologies, like you have heard like big data and machine learning and AI and everything, like you would have just overview of this. I was on the same position, like हाँ ऐसा होता है, like हाँ मैं देख रहा हूँ YouTube पे recommendation आ रहे हैं, like something is happening. हाँ code, I can make a calculator app, but I don't know how that actual things work, right? So I was in that kind of phase, and soon as the training goes on and the time pass by, like in the beginning also, like if any student would join into the starting of the training, it would feel like हाँ ये तो मुझे आता है, ये आता है, but you don't know that when you have become into an advanced version of yourself, like sir took the technology so simple and so clearly and like into the right education, like not right to education, right education, like we trainings बहुत है n number of trainings, you just search for Udemy courses and everything, but the thing is it's not correctly आपको परोसा नहीं गया है बराबर से, और वो विमल सर ने काफी अच्छे से किया है, like they know how a mindset of a like engineer, the young engineers is working, and they know how to integrate all those knowledge into his mind, and that helped a lot. And sooner or later, like LinkedIn, like they like I was not only using the LinkedIn like up to the fullest. So under the training I started posting out my articles as well as technical blogs, and even the like I would say I have one story, an interesting story. I'll just take a few more minutes.
Please, we would love to. We would love to know about that.
Yeah, so I in October 2020 I got my first full-time employment into some a startup, and it was a great company. Almost it founded in 2017. I worked there for 6 months, around April month, 7 months I could say, 6 to around 7. So it was very much fun, but then for more studying further, I left that job and I was working on my certifications, like Red Hat certification and all. And soon my certification was completed. I again recently in the June month I joined another startup. Okay, So what happened is, at that moment, as soon as I joined, I posted on LinkedIn, yes, new journey and all my full enthusiasm. So the CEO of my previous company, he called me. He just called me and he told me like, hey, hi, how are you? I just saw that you posted on LinkedIn, you have joined another company. I said, yes, sir. Thank you so much for congratulating me. So he just asked me one thing, that what was wrong then in my company, that why you left? If you already wanted a job, then why you left my company? So I mentioned, like, I mentioned at the time when I was leaving, like I was studying, I have to study, I want to study more and everything. So even at that point, he was insisting, like, Saurav, I insist you, like you have just started the new job. I insist you, please come back. We will just manage about all that, how much package or salary and all, because you already know how his team is working and all. So that was kind of overwhelming. Like at that point, I was self-doubting, like whether I deserve this kind of respect, this much respect or not. So, and all of this credit goes to Vimal sir, because he made all the technologies, like which are the demanding technologies and everything. It's so simple and so much cheaper, I would say. Yes, if the same technology you try to learn from somewhere, you would cost like lakhs and lakhs of rupees. And here it was so cheaper, because like the mindset of sir is like only like he wants to see the whole India, the whole young engineers to be as a creator of the technology, not just working for a job. Like as soon as we enter the college, we are just trained like तुम्हें पढ़ना है, job करनी है, and all. Like that totally mindset was vanished. Like you have to create something. Just think on that. Just look for the technology. Don't look for the job or money. वो सब आते जाएंगे. Like money is the part of process. I know we all need money and everything, but still core on the focus side, like how you can evolve, how you can use these technologies for the right purpose. So that, like, you can see like how much technical I'm talking about right now. These all stuff are like all has been, you know, fitted into my mind from Vimal sir, I could say. So Vimal sir played a major role. Like I'm very much thankful I got a mentor like him in my life. And I'm sure like Anshika and Harshit to have that.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
want to add on something.
Yeah.
Vimal sir just given the self-belief in us.
Yeah. Just a minute, Anshika. Just a minute. Yeah. Allow me a minute, Anshika. Yeah, sort of. You were saying that you didn't know whether you deserve to be called back or not by the CEO of your previous company. Then I just wanted to, interject and tell you that a talented boy like you, who's so skilled, who's so knowledgeable, so has good experience and good knowledge, good skill, definitely deserves to be retained. And so don't think that whether you deserved or not, don't keep any doubt about it. You definitely deserved it. So Anshika, now I would move on to you. I would come to
Thank
you.
you.
I
Thank you,
would
Paul.
like to know from you, Anshika, that the kind of challenges you faced during the phase of pandemic, how you overcame them, and how the Linux World Private Limited and Mr. Vimal Daga were able to extend the helping hand towards you.
Um, Actually, from the starting when I was in college, so I have a very different scenario. I was the topper of my college, and I actually was. But as all the
Saurabh, why are you laughing?
Actually, it's totally opposite situation. I was kind of
Yeah.
topper. वो क्या होता है हमें नहीं पता.
Okay.
हाँ.
Anshika
But
is
actually,
like the most intelligent person on this panel. I am sure Harshit would disagree and would like to counter that.
Yeah, maybe because I don't know how much she scores, because I am also like that only, because as of now I am the branch topper of my college.
See, I told you, Anshika.
same situation with me. Yeah.
Good, Harshit.
Yeah.
I'll come to you also after Anshika. Yeah, Anshika,
Yeah.
back to you.
Sure.
Yeah. So actually, from the starting, I was the topper of my college, and एक mindset हो जाता है ना इंजीनियरिंग में आके सभी लोगों का कि जस्ट जो इंजीनियरिंग में हम प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस सीखते हैं, कोडिंग सीखते हैं, वही सब कुछ हो जाता है. तो वो चीजें जब हम लोग अपने लेटेस्ट स्टेजेस में आए, थर्ड ईयर एंड फाइनल ईयर, और जब हम लोगों ने जॉब के लिए स्ट्राइव करना शुरू किया, उस टाइम पे जब हमने देखा तो जस्ट सचमुच में इस चीज समझ आई कि ये जो कोडिंग वाला पार्ट है या ये जो डेवलपमेंट वाला पार्ट है, ये जस्ट इतना सा मैटर करता है, जस्ट इतना सा. बाकी जो दुनिया है ना वो बहुत बड़ी है, जो कि हम कभी कॉलेज लाइफ में नहीं सीख पाते या फिर कॉलेज के करिकुलम के साथ कभी नहीं सीख पाते. उस पॉइंट पे विमल सर का जो साथ था, जो उनका करिकुलम था या जो भी चीजें उन्होंने हमें बताई, तो वो चीजें बहुत हेल्प की. जिसकी वजह से हम लोग आज मार्केट में वहां स्टैंड कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे लोग 4-5 साल एक्सपीरियंस के बाद पहुंचते हैं। वो लोग पहले
Exactly.
जाते हैं, सीखते हैं, उसके बाद वो उन चीजों को अडॉप्ट कर पाते हैं। बट अभी हम लोगों के अंदर ये चीज आ चुकी है, हम लोग उन चीजों को बेसिक से लेकर और वो टेक्नोलॉजीज, वो स्किल्स हमारे हाथ में, और अभी हम इंडस्ट्रीज के पास जा रहे हैं एंड वी आर ग्रोइंग आवरसेल्फ एंड वी आर हेल्पिंग देम। और सेकेंड चीज, एक जो चीज मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगी, स्किल्स एक दूसरा एस्पेक्ट है। जो हम पढ़ते हैं या जो हम मेहनत करते हैं तो हम उस चीज को गेन कर सकते हैं। बट एक चीज जो विमल सर ने सभी स्टूडेंट्स को दी है, द नेचर ऑफ शेयरिंग, आई वुड से। किसी भी बचपन से हम लोग ना सीखते आए हैं कि शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग, शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग, आपको इसके साथ अपनी नॉलेज है जो शेयर करनी चाहिए करके। बट विमल सर ने ना उस चीज को प्रैक्टिकली ऐसा सब लोगों के साथ में कराया है। यू वॉन्ट बिलीव, हमारे एक ग्रुप में लाइक 200 स्टूडेंट्स अगर हैं, ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स कनेक्ट विद ईच अदर। कोई भी स्टूडेंट, आप कभी लाइक मैं हूँ, मैं अपने ग्रुप की एलएसएस थी, तो मेरे ग्रुप में जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आप एक दूसरे को कभी भी मैसेज कर लेते हो, रात के 12 बजे भी वो बंदा आपको हेल्प करने के लिए तैयार रहेगा। तो इस लेवल का जो हेल्पिंग और शेयरिंग उन्होंने नेटवर्क बनाया, वो सबसे बड़ी चीज थी। सो दे जस्ट डिडंट मेक अस अ बेटर स्किलफुल, अ बेटर एंड अ स्किलफुल पर्सन, they just make us a human. So they are blessing for us.
And what's been your learning from this phase of crisis? How your perspective has changed towards life?
The word life is just might be, it would be funny, but I just think like uh, time has no guarantee. Anything can come anytime. So we have to be prepared from the previous things. We have to be prepared for future and multiple things.
And Harshit,
Yeah.
what about you? What
Yes.
kind of challenges you faced during this phase of pandemic, and as far as looking for job is concerned, and how Mr. Vimal Daga helped you sail through, and how your perspective has changed during this phase of crisis?
Yeah, so I will tell my complete story from the beginning, and I definitely agree the point with the point that Anshika mentioned that development सिर्फ थोड़ा सा ही रोल प्ले करता है। एंड ये तो मैं कहूंगा कि इससे ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू मुझे नहीं लगता कि मेरे अलावा किसी और का होगा। वो क्यों, मैं अभी एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ। तो मैं एक जस्ट ब्रीफ में अपनी स्टार्टिंग से स्टोरी बताता हूँ, स्कूल से मैं कैसा रहा था और आज क्या हूँ। तो अगर मुझे कोई कंपेयर कर लेगा तो कह ही नहीं सकता कि ये सेम बंदा है। इस स्कूल में आज तक मेरे को एक भी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है स्टेज पे जाके बोलने का, और कभी नहीं गया। मेरे बहुत दोस्त जाते थे, जैसे स्टार्टिंग में मॉर्निंग प्रेयर्स होती है ना, या कुछ ना कुछ असेंबली में कुछ न्यूज बता दी, तो दिस टाइप ऑफ स्टफ वर कंटिन्यूअसली देयर। बट टिल माय स्कूल लाइफ, टिल माय 5th क्लास, आई वाज अ पर्सन हु गॉट 100 out of 100 marks in all subjects. So that much bar I have raised, but I don't know what happened from 7th. It just degraded drastically. It just fall about, you say that मैं margin पे पास होता था, इतना हाल खराब हो गया। Then from 11th I again picked it up and I make it 80 plus. So I believe that this is a great graph that goes from one peak to another peak, and then the next peak is yet to come. And how that comes, that I will tell you in a minute. That is when I started my college life, because I experienced in the school life also that yes, if you want to achieve something, then definitely you need to know the technologies. Because I was not fortunate enough to get some resources that few other people also get, that will help them very quickly shape their career as well as very quickly impart knowledge into them, right? Because I know multiple people who have, you can say, a plethora of people who are from the IT industry as well as various other industries. So they don't have any problem if they think about their future, right? Because they can be very easily get reference, and that too in the great companies like Amazon, etc. But I was a person who is not having any person that is professional in the IT world in my family. So when I started my college life, I get to know that yes, I have a keen interest in the data science, and since the day one of my college, I devoted all of my time with all of my endeavors towards this field. And that's the reason I didn't enjoy any day of my college. Now this is being very honest. I have seen my classmates, they go, you will say, at least 4 times to Missouri. in 1 or 2 months. But I am a person who didn't go even at the city because my
Hmm.
college is at hills. So
Hmm.
if you want to go to the Dehradun city, then you have to travel 10 kilometers. I
Hmm.
didn't go even at the city. You will say that I believe only 2 times
Hmm.
I get down to the city, except if I am not returning to my home. So
Hmm.
that was the case. So like this, my journey goes on, and from my day one of my college, I started creating great connections with my teachers, and it's the blessings of them only that I get to know a great things, and that is why in the third year of my college itself, I
Hmm.
was able to deliver data science trainings to even the students who are pursuing the master degree. They
Hmm.
are way older than me and they have way much experience than me, but still I am able to deliver so because I make myself capable of doing so, right?
Hmm.
Similarly, I give trainings to even professors who are from IIT also. So
Hmm.
there was a group of 150 professors. They
Hmm.
are from multiple colleges across India. So I deliver the training there also. Now, why this happens? Because I have a keen interest and I always wanted that yes, कि अब तो कुछ करना है क्योंकि लाइफ में बहुत कुछ पहले देख लिया है मैंने. अब नहीं करूंगा ना तो कभी नहीं कर पाऊंगा. बिकॉज ये 4 साल छूट गए अगर मेरे कॉलेज के, देन फिर मास्टर डिग्री क्या कोई सोचता है, पहले ही सब खराब हो गया. स्कूल तक तो मैं खराब था ही, अच्छा फिर खराब फिर अच्छा हुआ, तो ये सारा पूरा चला. So that's why I decided that yes, in my college, I will reshape myself in a way that no one is able to even recognize me. If even my student or school friends meet me any point in my life, I am damn sure that they will not able to recognize me because the way right now I am speaking, I was not able to speak even one line of this at this much confidence when I was in the school.
Wow.
Right. So since my third year of my college, I get to know that yes, there is one person, Mr. Vimal Daga. He is great at teaching, and also he is the world record holder as well. So by
Yes.
seeing his capabilities, I thought that yes, this person is a great person and he deserves that he should teach multiple audience because he has done that much hard work in his own life, right? Because world record ऐसे ही नहीं बनता. तो उन्होंने मेहनत की थी काफी. तो ये देख के मैंने सोचा कि वो इस काबिल जरूर हैं कि वो पढ़ा सकते हैं. तो फिर मैं उनके प्रोग्राम्स में एनरोल करता चला गया. ऑल्दो मेरे से स्टार्टिंग के 2 अच्छे प्रोग्राम्स छूट गए थे, बट
Hmm.
ये क्योंकि उस समय मेरे एग्जाम्स थे तो मैं रिस्क नहीं ले सकता था. So
Hmm.
there were multiple things that I have to look thereafter. So
Hmm.
as I started enrolling in his programs, then I must say that the DevOps part I really enjoyed learning from,
Hmm.
really, because in the earth till now I would say that the big data perspective is not covered that much. The DevOps is covered almost 90%. So
Hmm.
I learned that completely. And as far as the other technologies like data science is concerned, that I have been known from my college life. But yes, I'm also learning that also under Vimal sir. And one more thing, that he teach us how to integrate the technologies. That is the most important part. Because if you see on LinkedIn, let's say I challenge this thing to everyone. Please show me even a single student who got placed in a great company, but the profile of that student is not a SDE profile. You will
Hmm.
not find a single student. This is my challenge. I
Hmm.
have always seen that ये एक है ना भेड़ चाल बन गई कि वो जा रहा है मैं भी जाऊंगा. But
Hmm.
I was never interested in this type of ways to learn things. Although I have many friends who do this, but I do not ever say anything to them because this is their own personal choice, right?
Hmm.
I was interested in learning technologies and that I have done and also integrated those, and that's the reason I have been hired as a technical trainer. Now there is also one great story associated to this. It is somehow comparable to the Saurabh's one, that he told that the CEO called him, but
Hmm.
mine is a little bit different. That while I was doing an internship in my third year, like the company was exactly same, it is Divya. Because this company is having a partnership with my college. Actually, my specialization is in big data according to the college course.
Hmm.
So this specialization is been started by this company only. So I
Hmm.
got a chance to do an internship there. And once I started my internship, so there was one thing that has been asked to me by the HR of the company, HR head. She asked that, are you doing any other things except this? Please tell me. So I was really honest. I told her, yes, I am delivering one data science training to some students and it is very necessary. I have done the commitment and I will not back off. So
Hmm.
she has said that, okay, we will see what can be done, right? Because it is a policy of the company that no one can work into any other company. Either it is part-time or full-time or freelance. you have to be in one company only. Specifically, this is policy of the CBR. So as this talk continues, I got a meeting that is associated from the director of the Divya Academy. So he manages all of the academics or trainings that is being delivered by the CBR, right? So he is very interested in me by seeing my profile, and he thought that why should not I hire this person, because he identifies my capabilities, and I also showed him the demos in the way I deliver the training. So he was very much impressed by that, and he told that yes, I will take you, doesn't matter what happens. So yeah, that I feel that that is a great thing, that I get a chance to get a call from the director, a personal call, and he is interested in my profile. And in this success, there are two things. One, there is the role of Mr. Vimal Daga, because he taught me how to integrate technologies and various tools of DevOps. And secondly, I do that data science stuff. So basically, I created projects that integrate multiple technologies. So this thing impresses the community there, and that's the reason still in my company everyone says that there is a lot of potential in me. So I would rather say that with me, Vimal Daga sir plays had a great role to nourish me, to teach me how I can create wonders.
Great.
So this
Great,
is the thing.
Harshit.
So I believe that there is a high peak as compared to even the peak that I have in my school life till fifth class. And this is not a fact that by only doing these projects I'm not able to perform in the college. So I somehow managed to do both the things. And I just want to
Great,
mention
great,
that even
Harshit. I'm
though
so sorry, Harshit, to intervene.
yeah,
The time we
yeah,
are hard pressed for time now, and I feel so
okay,
overwhelmed to learn about your experiences and how you overcame the challenges that you faced
yeah, yeah,
on your path to success. And
sure.
now, since we are running short on time, so Saurabh,
Yeah.
Anshika, Harshit, all of you, if you could just in one line only, could give some, tips to the fellow students or aspiring professionals. Just be very brief about it.
Okay,
Okay.
so I would say that guys, never give up. You should always have the hunger to learn, because this is the same thing I had, and
Done,
that is
done,
why
done.
I
Just
succeeded.
one line, Harshit. Never give up. Have
Okay,
hunger to
Anshika.
learn.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
Anshika.
Anshika.
या सो किसी भी चीज से डरो मत, भले ये मत सोचो कि फेल हो जाएंगे या फिर ये चीज समझ नहीं आएगी. जस्ट गो फॉर इट. आंख बंद करके जस्ट गो फॉर इट एंड जस्ट एक्सप्लोर द थिंग्स. यू विल गेट मेनी थिंग्स फ्रॉम इट. जस्ट गो फॉर
Yes, Saurabh.
Have a lot of patience. Something best is yet to come. Just have patience.
The way you had.
Instantly muscles now.
The way
Yes.
you have.
Yes.
And keep
Yes.
developing. And from me, some advice would be to keep learning, keep
Yeah.
developing. Even if you're
Yeah.
not able to get the desired thing in the time within the stipulated time that you want, but you are surely going to get it. Only
Yes.
if you are
And
strong, then only
yeah, one more thing. Social media is fake, so please ignore that.
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. It was really overwhelming to speak to everybody, to all of you. And I just had incredible and a whale of time, really. I hope you
Same
Same
here.
guys
here,
also enjoyed
same
the
here, Burke. I really
Yeah.
appreciate that
Like the
you
moment we
gave us
got
this
the news, like
opportunity.
someone from High On Persona is going to take an interview, it was like, oh, okay, I should get ready myself.
anytime, and we'll do a few more sessions on different topics. And all of you are so knowledgeable, so full of information about different aspects and different topics. So it will be really very insightful for our viewers and readers of High on Persona also to learn more about it from young people like you who are having this practical experience and who are so inspiring, who are like, achievers and writing their success story by learning, by patience, and with confidence. Thank you so
Yes.
much. We'll join
Thank you.
back
Thank
again.
you, Varka.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Take
Yeah,
thank
care.
you so
sure.
much,
Bye.
Burke.
Thank you.
Yeah, for your time. Yeah,
Bye bye.
bye, guys.
Bye. Bye. Take care.